Welcome to Best Choice. The best Ufo Air Fort is probably one of the most innovative and exciting products to hit the market in recent years, offering a unique and immersive experience for users of all ages. Imagine stepping into your own personal, portable sanctuary, a space that can be inflated in minutes and transformed into a cozy retreat, a play area for kids, or even a temporary shelter. This inflatable marvel promises not just convenience but a whole new way to interact with your environment, whether you're camping in the wilderness, enjoying a day at the beach, or simply seeking a quiet escape in your backyard. Its futuristic design and practical applications make it a standout item for anyone looking to add a touch of wonder and versatility to their lives. Number 5. Make a Fort Building Kit. Introducing the Make a Fort Building Kit, the ultimate way for kids to unleash their creativity. Build bigger and more imaginative forts than ever before. With strong, durable pieces, your little ones can transform any space into castles, kingdoms, or mazes. Their imagination is the only limit. This kit is perfect for family bonding. Enjoy quality time together as you build amazing structures, straight out of the box. No tools or adhesive needed. Encourage screen-free playtime and boost creativity. Let your children engage in hands-on, imaginative play that stimulates their minds. Built to last, these pieces are durable and reusable. When playtime is over, easily store it away for the next adventure. Proudly made in the USA, this kit offers endless hours of fun and learning for your children. What we like. This kit allows for truly expansive and imaginative fort construction, turning any space into a castle or kingdom. It's perfect for families looking to reduce screen time and engage in creative, hands-on activities together. If you want to foster creativity and enjoy quality family bonding without the mess of traditional fort building, this is the ideal choice. What people say. Very nicely made, heavy cardboard, have color notches so you know where to put the attachments. Easy for any age to put together. Can build any size or shape of fort. It's such a great kit because it allows kids to be creative in two ways. First, they get to build a great fort, and then they can spend hours coloring it to truly make it their own. It is sturdy and keeps her entertained for a long time. My children love the versatility and enjoy the endless opportunities to be creative when building tunnels, forts, and barriers. They are easy to use and create with. Number 4. SAYOK Inflatable Photo Booth Tent. Transform any event into a memorable experience with this inflatable photo booth. It sets up in minutes, making it perfect for any occasion. Setting up is a breeze, taking just minutes thanks to the included blower. Its lightweight design and carry bag make it easy to transport wherever you go. Crafted from robust, tear-resistant 210D Oxford fabric, this tent is designed for repeated use. It's a durable investment that will serve you well for many events to come. Offering a generous interior space, it comfortably accommodates photography equipment and guests. The removable zipper door provides flexible access and ventilation. This complete kit comes ready for action, including an air blower, remote control, ropes, sandbags, and repair cloth. You can start using it right away. Cleaning and storing are simple with its wipe-clean surface and easy zipper deflation. Ensure it's dry before folding for compact, hassle-free storage. What we like. This inflatable booth offers rapid deployment and easy transport, making it ideal for various events. Its robust construction ensures longevity for multiple uses. If you need a versatile and portable solution for parties, weddings, or exhibitions that can be set up in minutes, this is the perfect option. What people say. Greta addition to my photo booth business. It's a pretty nice size and my 4 feet 360 fits perfect inside. I bought this so I could use it at a Christmas festival to take photos. The backdrop and photo stand I bought here on Amazon as well, and I can say with confidence this is an amazing photo booth. I truly recommend you getting it. It's easy to set up and take down as well as it is very spacious inside, and I'm 5'8" and fit just fine in this. I've had couples who were 6 feet 5 tall in it and they were comfortable in it as well. Definitely worth the money spent on it. El diseño es elegante y resistent los materiales se sienten duraderos y la funcionalidad es exactamente lo que necesitaba, excellent calidad y gran relación precio. Number 3. Monobeach Princess Tent Girls Large Playhouse. Let your child's imagination soar with this enchanting castle-inspired playhouse. It's the perfect secret hideaway for any little dreamer looking for a special gift. This adorable playhouse provides a private space for up to 3 children to play, read, and relax. It's a present they'll cherish. Measuring 55 by 53 inches, this playhouse offers ample room for fun. It's crafted from high-quality, comfortable, and durable polyester taffeta that's easy to clean. This versatile playhouse is perfect for any setting, whether it's inside your home, in the backyard, or at the park. It brings magic wherever it goes. Your purchase includes the princess tent, poles, connectors, and instructions. Plus, we've added star lights as a special gift to make it even more magical. What we like. This tent boasts a charming castle design, offering a magical private space for children to play and relax. It's a wonderful gift that can accommodate multiple kids simultaneously. If you're looking for a delightful and enchanting playhouse for your child, especially one that sparks imagination and can be used both indoors and outdoors, this is a fantastic choice. What people say. Well made and should be durable. Love that it has a storage bag to use if you disassemble. The star lights make it extra enchanting. Number 2. AMERFIST 2025 Flying Orb Ball Toy. Introducing the AMERFIST 2025 Flying Orb Ball Toy, a high-tech, hand-controlled drone toy with dazzling RGB lights. Experience intelligent flight with unique boomerang effects and create your own playing styles. This toy offers intelligent flight capabilities. By varying your throwing angles and speeds, you can achieve different flight paths and a cool boomerang effect. Let your creativity guide you to discover unique ways to play. Crafted from high-quality, soft yet durable materials, this hoverball is built to last. It's lightweight and flexible, designed to withstand drops and automatically stop upon impact, ensuring safety around furniture. Enjoy extended playtime with its convenient USB charging. A full charge takes only about 20 minutes, providing 8 to 10 minutes of flight. It can be easily recharged using various devices like computers or power banks. Recharge it anywhere, anytime. This toy supports charging via computer, power adapter, mobile phone, or portable charger. The indicator light conveniently shows when it's charging and when it's fully powered up. Looking for a unique gift? This flying orb ball is an ideal present for birthdays, holidays, and special occasions. It's a fantastic choice for kids, teens, and even adults who enjoy innovative toys. What we like. This flying orb toy features intelligent flight capabilities with a cool boomerang effect and vibrant RGB lights for nighttime play. It's lightweight, durable, and USB rechargeable for endless fun. If you're searching for a unique, high-tech toy that offers interactive entertainment and is perfect for kids and teens who love gadgets and exciting play, this is an excellent gift. What people say. Super fun hoverball that spins, floats, and curves through the air. Great for kids and teens who love fidget toys. One of the things I liked most is its durable design. Even though it has been dropped several times, it continues to work perfectly. Plus, it is lightweight, safe, and poses no danger, which is ideal if you have children at home. The LED lights add a spectacular touch, especially at night, making the experience even more fun. Really fun once you get the throwing angles down. The boomerang and straight hover tosses are easy. It's pretty durable after a few crashes, and it even has a small fan inside. It comes with a USB-C cable. Number 1. The original patented AirFort, mod about gray. Tired of complicated setups? This amazing fort inflates in under 30 seconds, letting playtime begin almost instantly. Say goodbye to messy sheets and pillows. It's large enough for multiple friends, measuring 6.5 feet in diameter and over 4 feet tall. This durable and breathable construction is perfect for parties and sleepovers. Looking for a screen-free activity? This provides a wonderful space for constructive, tech-free play that sparks your child's imagination. It's a great way to bring families together. Designed with safety in mind, it's been child safety tested and approved. It features an easy entrance and exit, a viewing window, and a mesh fan divider for peace of mind. Setting it up is simple as it works with any standard box fan. Everything you need, including a carrying bag and fan tabs, is included to get the fun started quickly. What we like. This inflatable fort sets up in under 30 seconds, providing a spacious and breathable play area for kids. It's designed as a fun, tech-free alternative to screen time, encouraging imaginative play. If you need a quick, easy to set up, and safe play space that promotes creativity and family fun, this is the perfect solution for parties or everyday play. What people say. All 3 kids have been quietly engaging in it for hours. We got a simple box fan from a big box store, it isn't too loud and the wind is not bad at all inside. It's nice to have some airflow in a kid's fort for once. Typical blanket forts or even the ones we have tried that come with the preformed nylon cover have been stifling inside. I can see staying in here for extended periods of time. One of our children is neurodivergent and has stated they feel comfortable and safe inside. The extreme portability of this fort makes me think we can easily bring this when we visit family and our child needs a safe space. Tons of room inside for 2 adults, dog, and a handful of kids and books and couch cushions. So easy to set up, attach to fan and turn on. Take down is just as easy, just turn off the fan and stuff the fort in a bag. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.